Hi guys, welcome back and thanks again for joining me on my ride today. Today I'm testing out the Bluemels Mudguards or Fenders depending on where in the world you are. I'm looking for roads like this, nice wet roads, so I can test these Fenders out for you guys. So far, a little bit of splashing on the shoe there guys, if you can see. But the bike seems to be nice and clean. Yeah, I've still got my gravel wheels on, my Pathfinders 38s. I haven't had a chance to put my new tyres on my other wheels, but I will. I'll get around to doing it soon. Yeah, I want to test out those new TPU inner tubes. So as usual guys, let's go and see if we see anything interesting on today's ride. And if you could you press that like button for me please? It really does help the channel grow, helps the algorithm, and it just makes YouTube just push the channel a little bit further, so that would be very, very useful. Now I just thank you for all your support. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate you guys coming along with me on my rides, and like today, nice little test ride.
Thank you.
Morning, all right? It's all right. Have a nice ride. feet are wet with it. Kind of an extreme experiment there, I must admit. Yeah, beautiful place this, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous village. We'll have a little look up through there in a minute. Typical old English villages. Disgusting. All right, mate. There's Broadhenbury Primary School. What a beautiful little place. What a lovely school. Yeah, absolutely beautiful village here. Right, I've been really testing the Mudguards out today. Been a bit extreme in places, I must admit. But the bike, you know, all these dirty lanes I've been going up and down, and all the big puddles, apart from a wet feet, which, you know, riding through that Ford was a little bit extreme, I know, but they've done a good job. I must admit, they've done a very, very good job. I'm really pleased with them. You know, the back of that bike there, like, still really, really clean. Yeah, very pleased with that. Look at it under there. Nice. Good bit of mud. A few little splashes there, not on the camera. Very pleased, very, very pleased with them. Yeah, they will be staying on the bike throughout winter for me. Right, I better go because the kids are just coming out to play. Yeah, I've got to say, I'm really impressed with the Bluemels. They've done an absolute fantastic job for me. You know, on lanes like this, just brilliant. Yeah, you got to be a little bit cautious riding through puddles, to be fair, because you don't know if there's a pothole that is covering up. Yeah, winter riding like this, these Bluemels are absolutely brilliant. Christmas tree. That's what's in the older telephone boxes now, guys. Little library. There's a book swap. Please do not leave cookbooks, pamphlets, first aid leaflets, instruction manuals, DVDs or CDs. I like that, I really do like that. Thank you. The thing that I really like as well with these Mudguards, they're absolutely dead quiet. I've not heard them rattle, squeak or anything. These here, you would never even know you got them on, to be fair. Yeah, they're doing the job. There he is, guys. Elvis Presley is back. He got stolen back along, somebody nicked him. I see he's got a locking chain on it now. Right guys, I've done 35 miles. I've been rocking and rolling through some of the dirtiest country lanes today and the wettest. I tried to find the wettest roads I possibly could. Let me just show you the bike. It's done really well. You know, for what I've taken this bike through, wow. That's awesome. Obviously the most important thing, keeping the camera and the lights nice and clear. Yeah, brilliant. Obviously we got mud and all that up here. Well, it's still wet, it's not dried out, but I've literally just gone through a load more puddles. You know, those lanes were absolutely filthy. That's me. Obviously I got wet feet from riding through the ford, but it's not too bad, to be fair. But look, just got a few little bits and pieces on the legs. All nice and clean back there. Yeah, and best of all, apart from keeping it clean and dry, they didn't rattle. They were absolutely dead silent, really dead silent. I was really pleased with that, because that was one of the things, bugbears from my last set. They'd done my head in, and these have just been brilliant. Never heard a peep from them. You may get a bit of, I'd got a bit of rattle down here, obviously when you got both hands on the bars, but with me filming, I've been taking one hand off to film, and yeah, not a rattle really, it's just wobbles down there. But as soon as you put both hands on, stable's right up. I am really pleased with it. Well guys, that's my test ride and review for these Fenders Mudguards. Like I say, they're absolutely brilliant. Yeah, highly recommend them. And if you haven't seen the if you've only seen this video, if you haven't seen the how to fit them, go and look on my channel and you'll see the how to fit video. And then they're really simple as well to fit on, to be fair. And obviously summertime, it's only a couple of bolts to take them off. They're all set up, so that's no big sweat either. Right guys, that's it from me for today's ride. I hope you enjoyed that one. Please like and subscribe, and until next time guys, make sure you get out there and ride, be safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Bye bye.